Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom to do a Dollar Tree haul. I actually went to Dollar Tree to start looking at their Valentine's Day stuff, and I actually found a good amount of stuff. I think I spent close to $30 there. So I wanted to share with you what I picked up, and I'll start over here. So they had a whole bunch of new organizational bins, new styles and things like that, new sizes that I hadn't seen before. So I did pick up 3 of them. I got these 2, which are similar as far as design, just different sizes, as you can see. So this one here is roughly like the size of a shoebox, just to give you a better idea. And this one is kind of more long, almost like an ice cube tray that like comes in your freezer. Just trying to give you guys an idea of size. So I picked these 2 up, again, sort of this netted look. I don't know exactly where I'll use them yet, but I like to have a stockpile of organizational things for different places in my house. This one here is also the same color, but a different design, and this is the biggest of the 3. Let me back up. This one I'm probably going to use in my pantry. I thought it would be really good for potatoes, just because it's breathable, and I can take them out of the bag and put them in here. So this will be for potatoes in the pantry, and these 2, again, I don't know exactly where I will use them. I have a couple ideas, but I like to have organizational bins sort of stockpiled for when I have a small project to do, and you cannot beat $1. So I'm going to start over here in the front. I got a couple Valentine's Day cards, really pretty cards. I've always been a sucker for nice cards and stationery, and these have some really nice detail. There's like a little rhinestone here, and a couple parts are sort of raised and just really cute. So just a, typical Valentine's Day card. This is sort of the bill letter size or shape card, and then the other one here, also for Valentine's Day, has a couple cute little features, some glitter hearts, and things like that. Also a bill or letter size or shape card. So I picked these 2 up for 2 people in my life to send off in the mail next month. I also picked up a couple pairs of just dollar cheapy sunglasses for my husband. He does not like to spend a lot of money on sunglasses for work. He has one nice pair that he wears not at work, and normally he stops at the dollar store every couple months and buys like 5 pairs at a time. And I mean, for $1, you really can't beat them. And he just likes them for driving or for certain, times when he's working outside, and he, again, doesn't want to spend a lot of money. So if you have somebody maybe who does construction that is constantly breaking more expensive glasses, you might want to check out just the cheapy ones at the dollar store. So I got him 2 pairs. I would have gotten more, but these are really the only 2 pairs that I thought he would actually wear. So I got those. Picked up some toothpick little containers. Actually, one of these is going to go in my car, because there's been several times when, like, my husband and I have gone out to eat and we're like, hey, we need, do you have a toothpick? So I just figured I'd leave one in my car and I'll put the other one like in my pantry. But I figured, all these things for $1 are really good deals in my opinion, so I picked those up. I got one little pair of fleecy gloves. It is really not very cold here in South Carolina. However, sometimes in the morning when I'm out early doing errands, sometimes it can be chilly, especially this time of year. A couple days ago, or past couple days, it's been only in the 20s in the morning. So I got these specifically for when I have to pump gas, because there's been a couple times when I've had to pump gas when it was like 20 degrees, and even, for me, that's cold on your hands. So I picked these up just to leave in my car as well, and they're actually surprisingly really heavy and soft and seem like a lot nicer quality than, definitely worth more than $1. So I got those. I got this small thing of Tic Tacs. These are the teeny tiny ones. Let me open these up and show you guys how small they are. So these 3 little packs came in this package. Just to give you guys an idea, these are about maybe 3/4 of a size, 3/4 of a size of a normal Tic Tac thing, but I thought these would be great just to throw in my small crossbody bags when I don't, or even a regular handbag, just because they take up so little room, and I just thought, why not? Because I always like to have gum or mints or something, so I picked those up. I got 4 of these Hershey Deluxe whole roasted hazelnut center Hershey Kisses. These are really good. I actually got a bag of these for Christmas, or a box of these or something, and they were delicious. So I got 4 for my son's teachers for Valentine's Day, which I'll get to in a moment. I'm going to do a little DIY project for Valentine's Day. In the beauty aisle, I found some Essie brand nail, I forgot what these are called, guys, nail strips, I think they're called. And I probably personally won't use these because, as you guys know, I like the gel polish or regular polish. But I thought for $1 they'd be a really cute gift to send with a couple other cute little things to a few girlfriends of mine that like the nail strips like Jamberry or the Sally Hansen ones. So I thought for $1 they were pretty cute. This one's sort of a peachy color with like little glittery dots. This one is like a teal blue with little faux little tiny diamonds. And then this one is sort of like an animal print. They're actually much cuter in real life than they're showing on camera. But again, for $1, I thought they were a great deal. And I really like the Essie brand, so I couldn't pass those up. And also, I found these Sally Hansen Salon Effects. And I know for a fact these are probably between $5 to $8 at like CVS. I've actually used these before several years ago when they first came out. Again, I personally don't like Jamberries and nail strips. I actually prefer polish or gel polish. But I thought, again, these would be a great little gifty thing. I'm always making little gift baskets or little gift packages and care packages up for friends and family. So I thought these would be a great little thing to throw into one of my friends or family members who like nail strips. So definitely was really surprised to see these at the Dollar Tree because I know for a fact they're at least $5, usually more at like Target or CVS. So that's my little nail haul. I also picked up this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lip Balm, which I've never seen before, and this is a name brand. I think I'll just throw this in my gift stash, but I thought it was a great deal for $1 and definitely different and new, so I got one of those. I picked up some multi-purpose clips. They are small, guys, but they're really strong, if that makes sense. I could tell by just pushing on it like that they're really a tight clip, which I use all the time for, you know, chips or little trail mix bags or anything like that. So in my junk drawer, I actually have a bunch of chip clips, so I'm going to throw these in with those. Got a package of the Huggies. This is the 32-pack wipes for my son because we're still working on potty training. Almost there, but we still need wipes, especially when we're out. So I picked those up. This I was surprised to see as well. It's the Campbell's Go Soup. I really enjoy this soup. I'm not a huge canned or bagged soup fan, but I do like this variety from Campbell's. My favorite is the chicken, the Thai chicken, I believe. It's like a creamy Thai chicken. I've never tried this flavor, the Moroccan style chicken with chickpeas, but I know these are normally like $3 at Publix. I've actually seen this flavor there. So I thought, hey, give it a try for $1. They're a really good soup and it's not anywhere close to being expired. I always make sure to check the dates. So I picked that up. Also got some Betty Crocker brand salad tongs. I actually realized I don't have any tongs like this. I have the normal metal tongs, but I don't have any like this. So I thought this would be good for salads, especially when we're having people over. So I picked those up. I thought that was a good deal. And then Valentine's Day stuff. I got this 40-pack of treat bags, and these actually have the Ziploc seal, which these are harder to find, I feel like. Most of the treat sacks, I feel like, don't have a closure, but these are the Ziploc type, you know, the press and seal bags. So I thought these would be great. Obviously, I won't use 40 this year, but I figured even down the road for years to come, I can throw little candies and stuff in here when I make up little gifts. So I got those. I couldn't pass that up. 40 of them for $1, guys, is excellent. And then lastly, I actually went in here, went in Dollar Tree originally to find, to look at their Valentine's Day stuff, which I had mentioned in the beginning of the video. So my son has 4 teachers. So he has 3 regular teachers, preschool teachers, and then 1 speech therapist who I picked this little mailbox up. How cute is this, guys? It's a really, these are all like really hard cardboard. They're not cheap at all. You can push on them and they're really, really sturdy. So I got this little mailbox. It opens, it says Puppy Love, and it opens just like that. And I'm just gonna fill these little treat boxes with like little chocolates. I'm definitely gonna throw one of these in. So in each of these boxes and the mailbox, I'm gonna throw in like candies and both chocolate and fruit candies. I'm probably gonna get them like some lip balm or hand sanitizer and just make it really cute. These boxes open with a Velcro. It looks like, it's kind of hard to tell, but they open, all of them open with a Velcro. And then inside, I'm gonna put a little of the, what is it called, guys? Like the straw confetti down in here. I have red actually, like a little, I'll build a little nest and I'll put, you know, some chocolate, and then I'll put like a lip balm and a hand sanitizer and then some other candy in here. Maybe I'll get like the cinnamon jelly beans or something. And then I'll put a little Valentine's Day card in here as well. I just thought it was a little cute teacher gift, and these are just so adorable for $1. This one has like the little dogs on it with the bear, and it says bear hugs. So I got 2 of these, and then I got this one for his main teacher. It says tweet tweet you're sweet, with again little owls, and just really cute. And I was really impressed with the quality of these. They're really, really sturdy. And then again, the mailbox will be for his speech therapist. So I thought these would be cute little teacher gifts to bring in, have my son bring into school the week of Valentine's Day. So this is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day, and I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.